Yo, what up? D-Pick here, Unfiltered Passion, back with another Behind the Design. And what we're going to jump into today is the clothes for maintenance design. And this design I came up with at a time while I was going through a divorce. So, you know, anybody who's creative, artist, you know, a lot of your inspiration comes from your real life. And at the time I was going through a divorce, and, you know, you're sitting there in the midst of the not depression, but the pain from the breakup, and you know, you're trying to get the motivation to get up and, you know, get back on with whatever's going on in your life and get your motivation back. And, you know, I think what came to mind was the song by Marion, Icebox. The guy Icebox, where my heart used to be, and definitely didn't want to go with that. But I decided, you know what, I'm gonna take some time for me. Heart is gone. No more heart. Heartless. Matter of fact, literally heartless. The heart is not here anymore. That's where you have the picture of the basically the chest cavity with the clothes for maintenance sign, where, you know, you used to see like on an elevator that was, out of order, out for repair. They would put like, this area is closed for maintenance. So I have that there. You know, the heart isn't, you see no heart. It's actually, matter of fact, the shape of the bone structure where the chest part where the heart would be is actually in the shape of a heart, and the heart isn't there. And basically a sign saying, you know what, if you're looking for love right here, right now, is actually not here because it's closed for maintenance, it's out for repair. And then in the back you see a big shape of a heart that's been tattered and battered and destroyed. I think there's Band-Aid on it. There's all kind of rips and scars and sutures and stitching, and you see it kind of smoking because it's been through a lot. And anybody who's been in love or been through love knows that, you know, when love is good, it's the best thing in the world. And when you're going through the midst of a breakup and heartache and heart pain, you know, it hurts like hell. And, you know, you've probably taken a lot of L's in your love journey also. And that's pretty much what this represents, at a place and a time where someone is going through. And, you know, it's just a motivation, like, oh, I'm gonna get it together. And I'm one who literally wears his heart on his sleeve, and, well, not only my sleeve anymore, on my chest and my back. And if you like that, this one probably resonates with you. And like anything at Unfiltered Passion, you know, it's custom made, so it can go on any garment that you choose, from t-shirt to hoodie to sweatshirt, 100% customizable. And, you know, if you have any questions, any comments, you know, feel free to hit me up. Let me know what you think about this design, clothes for maintenance. Thank you.